The police continue to come under pressure for their approach to issuing traffic tickets, prompting a review of the Road Traffic Act. Transport Minister Daryl Vaz says their preliminary report is due in September. Jamaila Maitland reports.
The Transport Ministry says a dedicated working team comprising all relevant ministries and agencies has been tasked to review the implementation of the Road Traffic Act, including issues concerning outstanding traffic tickets, the demerit point system, and the legal and policy implications of any proposed amendments.
So September, we'll have a preliminary report, which I will share as to where we are.
Motorists have been complaining about inconsistencies in the enforcement of the Road Traffic Act. It relates to eating and or drinking and driving, to having one hand on the steering wheel. The offense, no proper control on the vehicle whilst operating. Minister Vaz said the review will also address these issues.
All of this is being addressed. It's a comprehensive review of the Road Traffic Act and the demerit system. And as I said in the release, we have a multi-agency, multi-ministry, national security, transport, and justice, along with all the agencies involved.
Motorists contend that the Road Traffic Act is exploitative. According to the 2026-2027 budget, the Ministry of National Security intends to collect $1 billion in road traffic fines between April 1, 2026 and March 31, 2027. It represents a 120% increase compared to the fiscal year 2025-2026, which ended March 31, when the ministry set out to collect $450 million in traffic fines. Both the judiciary and the Jamaica Constabulary Force have rejected accusations of collusion. Chief Justice Brian Sykes said the courts are not revenue-collecting agencies. Minister Vaz says there is a real issue surrounding road safety. The Island Traffic Authority says as of August 3, Jamaica recorded 164 fatal crashes, resulting in the loss of 189 lives. Although an 18% reduction compared to the similar period in 2025, the ministry says the figures are a sobering reminder that the Road Traffic Act is first and foremost about saving lives. It says any decisions arriving from the review must strike the appropriate balance between legal certainty and the government's unwavering commitment to protecting all who use the roads. Jamaila Maitland, TVJ News.